balance, right? So your framing is quite cramped, which is fine if you want to give the viewer this sense of being cramped. If you look at like what was that? The Shining, Jack Nicholson movie with the hotel. Like you look at horror films. You look at the woman with a flickering flashlight walking through a creaky old house. The camera's like close on the subject. There's no room. You don't see like so much room, or you see a lot of room. It's like a really wide angle, and they look really small in the frame. Both of these are giving story, right? The latter is giving the story of just feeling very small and vulnerable, and the former, being really close to your subject, feels cramped and uneasy, and you want to see more and you can't, and it makes the viewer uncomfortable, emotionally uncomfortable. And these are little tricks that directors of photography introduce to invoke emotions in their viewer, and it's the same with photography. So when you have a cramped composition like this, it often invokes this feeling of being cramped or just unease, like you want to see more and you can't. So your story doesn't seem to match that. Your story, to me, again, seems like piece